ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರೆ. Vvsm ಅಕಾಡೆಮಿಯಿಂದ ಕೋಚಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್ IAS KS CSC and other competitive examinations ಕಲೆ ಮತ್ತು ವಿಜ್ಞಾನ ಶಾಲೆ ಗೋಪನಹಳ್ಳಿಗೆ ನಿಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವಾಗತ ಸುಸ್ವಾಗತ. Vvsm Academy, a school of arts and science, a mission with a vision. We are going to start with the classes for general studies of geographical studies, questions in geography, history, and other things. Geography is concerned with the description and explanation of aerial differentiation of Earth's surface. Richard Hartshorne. In other words, geography studies the differences of phenomena usually related in different parts of the Earth's surface. Geo means Earth. Graphy means places on the Earth. Branches of geography based on the regional approach, regional studies, area studies, regional development, regional analysis, regional planning. What is regional? It is a particular place, a specific place on the surface of the Earth. So regional studies are the area studies are further divided into macro-regional studies, meso-regional studies, micro-regional studies. These are all the branches based on regional approach. These are all the higher studies. Nikhil, don't worry about it. Just you study what is geography. Let us discuss about the geography. Geography, physical geography, principles of philosophy, methods and techniques, human geography. Geographical thought, human ecology, land and human interaction, cartography, field survey methods. So many things are there in the geography. It's a vast subject. It's nothing but the study of the surface of the earth, my dear friends. Here the climatology, hydrology, geomorphology, soil geography, social and cultural geography, population and settlements geography, economic geography, historical geography, rural and urban geography, ecology, environmental geography, agricultural geography, tourism geography, infrastructure, industrial, trade and transport and other services. So, my dear friends, this is the history of geography, you can say. Now, let us discuss about the great scientists behind geography. The term geography was first coined by Eratosthenes, a Greek scholar, 276 to 194 BC, that is before Christ. The word has been derived from two roots from Greek language. Geo means earth and graphos means description of the surface of the earth. Put together, they mean description of the earth, study of this earth's surface. The earth has always been seen as the abode of human beings, and thus scholars defined geography as the description of the earth as the abode of human beings. Geographers do not study only the variations in the phenomena over the earth's surface, that is space, but also study the associations with the other factors which cause these variations. For example, cropping patterns differ from region to region, but this variation in cropping pattern as a phenomenon is related to variations in soils, climates, demands in the market, capacity of farmer to invest, and technological inputs available to him or her. This is the great Eratosthenes, a Greek philosopher, a Greek scholar, and a mathematician. So what is a prime number? This person, Eratosthenes, this is a prime number. He is given information about the prime numbers, and he is a great mathematician too. Define topographical map. What is topography? Topography means top layer of the earth study, formation of the map. A topographical map is a large scale map which shows elevation, relief, drainage, vegetation, man made features like roads, railways, settlements, etc. This is the topographic map of our motherland, India, the great India. What is the importance of topographical maps? Topographical maps are used for engineering, public works, commercial and residential planning. Information from such maps is used extensively in the field of defense and navigation. How can physical features be represented on a map? All the physical features can be represented on the map with the help of contours. Come friends, let us glance over contours. What is a contour? How do topographic maps work? Contours. Contours are the lines drawn, imaginary lines drawn on the surface of the earth in the map so that 300, 200, 100 gives the elevation, gives the height of the area. So this is what you see on your map is 1400 indicates the line. This is a contour line, which indicates it is a particular line at a particular altitude. That is the height of the ground surface. 3D view of landmark. You see, this is 1400. This 1400 is start the base, which is the height of the mountainous region or the surface of the earth. So this is the topographical map of India, which indicates the different types of land formations, land features, you can say, geographical features. Geographical features are nothing but the altitudes, longitudes and latitudes and all are coming together. You will see the Himalayan range is the important elevated part of the geographical map of the India. The Indian map. This is the highest peak is Kanchanjunga and the Mount Everest are the highest peaks of the geographical features. Geographical features indicates the altitudes and the height of the surface of the earth and the bottom of the surface of the earth. ನಿಖಿಲ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ ಕಣ ಜಿಯೋಗ್ರಫಿಕಲ್ ಫೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಅತ್ಯಂತ ಎತ್ತರವಾದ ಪ್ರದೇಶಗಳು ಮತ್ತು ಅತ್ಯಂತ ತಗ್ಗಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಪ್ರದೇಶಗಳನ್ನು ಗುರುತಿಸ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಲೈನ್ಸೇ ಕಾಂಟೂರ್ ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತೀವಿ. ಅವನ್ನೇ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಜಿಯೋಗ್ರಫಿಕಲ್ ಫೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಅಂತೀವಿ. ಜಿಯೋಗ್ರಫಿಕಲ್ ಫೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವುದಪ್ಪ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂತಂದರೆ, ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ ದ ಪೆನಿನ್ಸುಲರ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ, ಉತ್ತರದಲ್ಲಿ ಹಿಮಾಲಯ ಪರ್ವತ, ದಕ್ಷಿಣದಲ್ಲಿ ಹಿಂದೂ ಮಹಾಸಾಗರ, ಪೂರ್ವದಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂಗಾಳ ಕೊಲ್ಲಿ, ಪಶ್ಚಿಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಅರಬ್ಬಿ ಸಮುದ್ರ indicates this is the geographical features of India. ಈಗ ಚಳ್ಳಕೆರೆ ಜಿಯೋಗ್ರಫಿಕಲ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮೂರು ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ? ನಮ್ಮೂರು ಯಾವುದು ಬಳ್ಳಾರಿ ಮೇನ್ ರೋಡ್ನಲ್ಲಿದೆ. ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ದಿ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸು ಮತ್ತು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಎ ವಾಸ್ಟ್ ಜಿಯೋಗ್ರಫಿ ಇಸ್ ಸಚ್ ಎ ವಂಡರ್ಫುಲ್ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್. ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಿ ಆಲ್ ದೀಸ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್. ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ದಿ physical features, national, what is that, geographical features. These are the contour lines. 1100, 1200, 1300, 1400 indicates this is the three-dimensional view and this is the plane. This is 2D structure, this is 3D structure. ಈ ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ನೀವು ಎತ್ತರದಲ್ಲಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಅಳತೆ ಇರ್ತದೆ, ತಗ್ಗಿನಲ್ಲಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಒಂದು ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಅಳತೆ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ದಿ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್, ಹೌ ಟು ಡ್ರಾ ದ ಕಾಂಟೂರ್ ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ವಿಚ್ ಈಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಇನ್ ದ geographical features. Topography. What is topography? Topography is the study of geographical features on a landscape. What is landscape? Surface of the earth is nothing but a landscape. A map with contour lines on it is called a topographic map. Topographic map use a combination of colors, shading and contour lines to represent changes in the elevation and terrain shape. Elevation is nothing but ಉಬ್ಬು ತಗ್ಗುಗಳು. ಎಲಿವೇಶನ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಉಬ್ಬಿನ ಪ್ರದೇಶ, ಎತ್ತರವಾದ ಪ್ರದೇಶ, ಮೌಂಟನ್ ರೀಜನ್ಸ್, ಹಿಲ್ ರೀಜನ್ಸ್. ಬಾಟಮ್ ಕೊರಕಲು ಈಗ ವ್ಯಾಲೀಸ್ ಅಂತೀವಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ, ವ್ಯಾಲೀಸ್. ಎಸೆನ್ಷಿಯಲಿ topographic maps represents the three-dimensional landscape of earth within the two-dimensional space of map. The first known maps to include geographical features were found in ancient Rome. It would be thousands of years before cartographers, map makers could chart large areas of terrain with any real accuracy. Contour lines, as we know them today, came into popular use in the mid-1800s, along with the rise of the resource extraction industries like mining and logging. So this is the contour map. ನೋಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ನೋಡ್ತೀರಿ, ಇದು ಎತ್ತರವಾದ ಪ್ರದೇಶ, ಇದು ತಗ್ಗಿನ ಪ್ರದೇಶ, ಕೊರಕಲುಗಳು, ಭೂಮಿಯ ಉಬ್ಬು ತಗ್ಗುಗಳನ್ನು ಕಣ್ಣಿಂದ ನೋಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂತಹ ಈ ಒಂದು ಸಾಹಸನೇ ಕಾಂಟೂರ್ ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಟೋಪೋಗ್ರಫಿ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಒಂದು ಹಿಮಾಲಯನ್ ನೀವು ಹೋದ ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲೇ ಜಿಯೋಗ್ರಫಿ ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಜಿಯೋಗ್ರಫಿಕಲ್ ಫ್ಯೂಚರ್ಸ್. ಎಲ್ಲೇ ನಿಂತ್ಕೋ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್. ನಿಖಿಲ ಎಲ್ಲಾದರೂ ನಿಂತ್ಕೋ, ಬೆಟ್ಟದ ಟೂರ್ ಹೋದಾಗ ಬೆಟ್ಟದ ಮೇಲೆ ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಂಡಾಗ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ನೋಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀಯಾ, ಅದು ಜಿಯೋಗ್ರಫಿಕಲ್ ಫ್ಯೂಚರ್ಸ್ನ ನೀನು ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು. ನಾನು ಎತ್ತರದಲ್ಲಿದ್ದೀನೋ ಅಥವಾ ತಗ್ಗಿನ ಪ್ರದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿದ್ದೀನೋ, ನದಿ ಹತ್ರ ಇದ್ದೀನೋ, ಹೊರ ವ್ಯಾಲಿನಲ್ಲಿದ್ದೀನೋ, ಅಥವಾ ಹೀಗೆ ನೀನು ಹಾಗೆ ಇಮ್ಯಾಜಿನೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಜಿಯೋಗ್ರಫಿಕಲ್ ಫೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ಮಾಹಿತಿಯನ್ನು Vvsm ಅಕಾಡೆಮಿ ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರೆ, ನಿನ್ನ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳಿ. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದಿ Vvsm ಅಕಾಡೆಮಿ ಕೋಚಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್ ಫಾರ್ Ias Kas Cse ವೀರಭದ್ರಯ್ಯ ದೇಮಯ್ಯ ಗೋಪ್ನಲ್ಲಿ. ಕಾಂಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ 96682848. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಫಾರ್ ಲಿಸನಿಂಗ್. See you in the next class. Don't forget to subscribe. Please subscribe, sir, if you like our classes. Thank you. See you again in the next class. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. ವೀರಭದ್ರಯ್ಯ ದೇಮಯ್ಯ ಗೋಪನಹಳ್ಳಿ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಹೌಸ್.